The T-Series is True's signature, award-winning, best-in-class reach in refrigerators. These units feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. All models feature a stainless steel exterior front and high-quality aluminum ends and are available in 1, 2, and 3-section units. Full-size and half-size door combinations are available in both solid stainless steel or glass. An exterior digital temperature display provides accurate temperature readings. All T-Series feature a bottom mount compressor, allowing for more efficient operation, ergonomic loading and unloading, exterior top-of-unit dry storage, as well as ease of service and maintenance. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved, clear-coated aluminum liner and a stainless steel floor with cove corners, allowing for ease of cleaning. T-Series models come standard with adjustable heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves, which provide 4 levels of food storage per door. LED lighting also comes standard and is activated by a rocker switch above each door. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's T-Series, traditional reach in refrigerators.